Hello guys and welcome back to OMS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 0x0, 0x1, 0x9, 0x3. The game has crashed Xbox Game Pass error code, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing I recommend doing is, if you have the game downloaded through Steam, go to Steam, right click on it, and you want to go over to the Properties tab. From here you want to go to the Compatibility tab. Compatibility tab, and you basically want to check two boxes. The first box you want to check is run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and the second box you want to check is run this program as an administrator. Once you go ahead and do that, hit apply and then hit OK, and then go ahead and open up Steam, go to library, look for Call of Duty, and then basically obviously update if you have any updates, but more importantly, right click on it, go to manage, no, go to property, sorry, go to properties, and you want to basically look for right here installed files, and you want to click on verify integrity of game files. Once you go ahead and do that, you should be good to go, and that is basically it. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.